we are going to build the new dashboard which is called investment portfolio tracker. So for this I have designed a data set, like you could see this transaction ID, investor ID, right, and asset ID, date, and the transaction type, it is sell or buy or sell, then quantity, and then we have invested values, current values, and return ROI. So investor dimension investor table is also there, like it is risk profile, aggressive or moderate, or CT, which CT belongs to investor name also. And then we have the asset dimension asset table. Then we have the fact portfolio performance table, okay, where equity and digital, it is mentioned as asset type, okay, and date is also there. So this is the data set which I have prepared for investment portfolio tracker dashboard, building the dashboard in Power BI. So I'm going to use this data set in Power BI, and we will be building the dashboard on this data set. Okay, so let's import the data first. So click on workbook, there's an investment portfolio tracker data set, and I'm going to select this, and then we have option to select all the tables. So I'm going to select all of them because we will be needing all the tables to build the data dashboard. You could see this all tables are imported into Power BI engine, and this step is to transform data to check the data types and clean the data, right? So first thing, like as dimension asset table is there, so which is selected, but see, you could see this first row is our header, right, asset ID, asset name, asset type, risk level, but it is selected as column 1, column 2, column 3. So we have to change this, and to change this we have to click on transform and use first row as headers. So you would now the headers have been changed. Similarly, we have to check for and also check the data types. Data types are okay here, okay. Dimension date, so this is the date, right, but it is selected as whole number, so we have to select the data type as date, and replace current one, so it has been changed into date. Month is okay, quarter is okay, year is okay, month year is okay, right. Now let's go for dimension investor. So again we have to change the header because header is present in rows, so we have to use this first row as header, so that header will be changed. Now age is okay, city is okay, risk profile is okay. Fact investment table, so here also this is the date one, so we have to make it date, the current one, done. Now fact portfolio table, so here everything's okay. Now what we have to do, we have to click on home button, then we have close and apply. So whatever the changes we have made will be applied. So we are done with second part. Third part is that modeling. So let's check the modeling part. You could see this Power BI engine has already made the relationship. So this is for investor ID to investor ID, like dimension fact portfolio invest performance table is there, which is connected to dimension investor ID, right. This is the correct one. Then we have fact investment here, so this is connected to investor ID as well, okay. You could see this I don't want to have it, delete. And this is asset ID is okay. I want to connect this investor ID to this investor ID, okay. Save. Then I want to connect. We are done with modeling part, like all relationships are already created. You could see this fact portfolio performance investor ID is connected to dimension investor ID. Then we have this date is connected to dimension date. Then we have this invested values, not invested values, it should be investor ID, sorry. Should be investor ID. So it is connected to investor ID, and this is asset ID to asset ID. So we are done with modeling part. Now let's go ahead and build the dashboard. So to build the dashboard, what we have to do, we have to change the Canva background first. So I'll be using light gray, this, make it 20, okay. Now on this we are going to build. So first thing first here is that we always do text box. So we'll put the text box. So the title would be investment portfolio tracker, right? Make it on, then investment tracker, right? We are done with this. Now we can do formatting here. So normal font would be this. Let's select 20 and color is black. Good. Made it color code as the background color for visuals. Now subtitle as well, like performance overview from 2023 to 2025. So let's put the subtitle as well. So we have to select this text box, this text box, and here you would find title, and under this you would find here subtitle. So this is off right now. Okay, subtitle is off, so we have to make it on, and then we have to put here performance overview and do the formatting, same formatting here also. So just select heading as normal, then font would be this is our standard one, and this is 10. Here it is reflecting, so we have to make it at least 20. Okay, so 20 is not good. Let's make 18. Okay, 15 is okay. Then we have to make it bold and middle. Okay, now it is reflecting here, and this, and what we have to do, text color would be white. Okay, white. So performance overview, and let's make 12. Okay, now it is looking good, right? Performance, this is okay. We are done with this. Okay, cards, and here we will be 4 or 5 DAX queries, not more than that. Okay, because we have to write DAX queries for total investment, current values, okay, total return percentage, and the we can find out top performing assets. Okay, so 4 or 5 DAX queries we have to write it down. So to write the DAX queries, what we are going to do, first we will create the table, and under this table all the DAX queries will be written, so that it would be under one place. Okay, so DAX query. Okay, and click load. Once you the DAX query table, then we have to click on select this on the table and click on new measure. Now let's start writing total investment equal to, so some method would be required. Then we have table, like you could see this fact performance, portfolio performance. Okay, fact portfolio performance, here it is this, and we have total investment, this is the column. Okay, and then close the parenthesis. So the first DAX query is written, total investment. Similarly we will be writing for another one, new and current value, total current value equal to sum. Then we have fact performance portfolio, this is direct, you can select this in a column and close parenthesis. Done. We are done with writing the 2 DAX queries. Okay, total investment, total current value. Then we will be writing total returns. Okay, so again we have to select this column and new measure, and let's write total return equal to, so we have already written total investment and total current value. So what we have to do, we have to select total investment current value, total current value minus total investment. Okay, so we are done with this. This is the total return. Okay, now we have to write another DAX query, which will be total return percentage, total return percentage. Okay, so how to write divide method, we will be selecting the divide method, and what we have to do, total return this, comma, total investment, comma 0, close parenthesis, into 100. That's all. So this is total return percentage. Total return percentage. Now we have to write the query for top performing assets. Okay, so top performing asset equal to, so what we have to write, calculate. We have to take the calculate method, then max. Okay, max, this is the max method. So what we have to take, like we have the table fact investment. Okay, from here we have to take the current value. We have current value. Okay, then close parenthesis, comma. Okay, then top n. Okay, we have to select this 1, comma, fact investment, comma, fact investment, current value, comma, de this method, then close the parenthesis. That's all. So we are done with writing the top performing assets. So we are done with writing the DAX queries. So we have written only 5 DAX queries, not more than that, and those are very much useful, okay, at the time of building the dashboard. So as you could see this, we have already taken the new card, and we do not have to divide here, okay, multiple times. We do not have to divide here multiple times. What we have to do, we have to select total investment. So this is our total investment. Then we have to select total return. Okay, total return. Okay, we can select total current. Then we can select total return percentage. Then we can select top performing assets. This also we can select top performing assets. You could see this all DAX queries. What were the DAX queries we had what were the DAX queries we have written? All of them are adjusted in this new card visuals. Okay, and it is looking good. Okay, only we have to do the formatting here. Okay, only we have to do the formatting here. So what formatting it would be required? So we will select this, and what we have to do, format painter, and just put it here. That's it. We are done with this. Okay, we are done with this. Now we can do little bit formatting, more formatting likewise. Okay, so now text formatting. So we can do this formatting. So call out values, and once we check, then font would be this. Okay, then we have this is selected as 45, so 45 is not required. 20. Okay, 20 is good. 20 is good, right? Then make it bold, and the color would be middle. Then let's go for head. The font is this. This would be 15. This looks good, right? 15 black. Okay, now it is looking good. Card. So those are reflecting a rectangle shape, rounded rectangle. So this looks good. Okay. Now background color is white. So we are done with formatting the card visual. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, visualization we would be using like pie chart or donut chart. Okay, so this is the pie chart. Let's start using pie chart only. First value first, this total current values. Okay, asset type. So we have dimension asset. So this is the asset type. Now this is reflecting. Okay, we have to work upon formattings. Okay, so formatting would be like let me select this and put it here. Okay, now let's work upon formattings little bit. On this, and let's select 9. Color should be white. Okay, white. As of now it is okay. Border color. Okay, now we have values. So let's select this is the format, then color would be white. So values are reflecting now, right? Display unit, it is auto, so you can select none, million, thousands and all that. Okay, so like we are showing the values here in millions, so here also we should be selecting millions. Okay, so values are reflecting in millions. Okay, now we are done with this. So we have to select this visual again and come here and general and title. So it is title is this. Okay, currently it is 20, so let's make it 12. Okay, let's make it 12 and bold, middle. Okay, so total current value by asset type. Okay, so we can convert this into donut chart and we can put it here, convert into donut chart, and total investment by asset type. Okay, so we will remove this and we will select this. Okay, so total investment by asset type. So as you could see this, you can do the comparison, that total current total investment by asset type, and this is the donut chart. So let's do a little bit more formatting, like here we are showing total investment, then total current values. So let's switch the visualization. Okay, we will show the total investment first and then current values. Okay, this looks good, right? So this is okay. Now we have to work upon next visual. So next visual would be line chart, or we can use in a area chart as well, or stacked area chart. Okay, but as of now I'm going to use like line chart only. It looks good because it shows visual, and paste it and put this here. And what you can do, you just select this one, so it would be converted into the line chart visual. The values line chart visual, we have to show like portfolio performance month here. Okay, and then values would be selected. Okay, values would, we have selected the month values from dimension date, and we are going to select the current values from fact investment table. Okay, so this is reflecting here. Now we have to work up a little bit formatting to show the data. Right now it is not visible due to the color code. So what we have to do, we have to click on this x-axis, then let's select the font 9, and this would be 12. Okay, bold, color should be white, this, right? It is reflecting here. Now what we have to do, title, so it is auto, font and 12, color would be white. So this is month is reflecting, right? Now layouts, we don't have to do anything. Y-axis, in y-axis we have the values, so values, click, and font, a standard one, 12. Okay, then bold, and color would be white. So it is reflecting here. We have to work upon this title, so select the format, this, and 12, and bold, color should be white. So it is reflecting now, right? So zoom slices, let's add zoom slices as well, and lines. Okay, here you could see this lines, it is reflecting, so it is surely. So I'm going to select smooth. Okay, I don't want to have this color, I want to have this color, so this looks more visible. Okay, and shade area, if you want to cover, then we can cover it shade area as well from here, and the color we can choose it. Markers, if we want to apply the markers, we can apply the markers here. Okay, right? The type as well, we can choose the type as well. So this is what color code also we can choose it. Okay, right? Border, if you want to show the border, so we have to enable it. And if I select other this, so now it is looking good. Data labels, let's show the data labels. Okay, so it is formatting, right? This looks good. Now moving ahead, so this and paste it and put it down, okay, here. Now we are going to change it to clustered, and here I want to show the data as asset type. Okay, so we have the asset table, asset type, and total returns. Okay, total return, this asset type and total return. So we have to do the formatting. We can change the x-axis values. This would be our standard one, 12, and bold and white, right? Then we have to go for this title, so it should reflect asset type, this 12, and the color should be white, this. So asset type is reflecting, right? Now y-axis, similarly for y-axis, so values, and we have to select standard one, this 12, bold and white. So now you could see this 20 million and 0 million is reflecting. Display unit, it is auto. Display unit, it is auto, millions. Okay. Then title, we have the title, so we have to select font, this 12, bold and white. So title is also reflecting, right? Color, I want to change this color, so this is okay, right? Let's make it on, so data levels are reflecting. And what we have to do, it is reflecting if I select vertically, and position columns auto, inside end. Okay, then we have type, background is white, color is this, so we have to select this. And we will be using matrix visual, where so matrix visual, this is the matrix visual. I can put this here. Okay, let's apply the logic, same format painter, put this here. And then what we have to do, we have to use asset name. We can use asset name. This is the asset name. We will be using current values, invested values. Okay, then we will show a return percentage, return. We can show quantity. Okay, we can use used asset name, some of the current values, some of the invested values, some of the return. And if we want to use quantity, so let's see, quantity, some of the quantity is also reflecting here. A return percentage, some of the return percentage we are showing. Now we can what we can do here is that we can show the spark line. Okay, and then what we have to select, x-axis would be we can select asset type. Okay, so asset type, asset name. Then here entire spark lines, or individually we want to show. So if I select entire spark line, see this create, and here it is reflecting. Okay, some of the written by asset name. So this is how you can show. You can change the value. If I select context, so this is how it is reflecting. So as per your requirement you can choose it, and there's no problem. So let it be, and this looks also good. Okay, and then we have other grid line, so it is reflecting as this. So we can select other colors as well, grid line. Then vertical grid lines. Okay, vertical grid lines, this is also okay, black. Values, so what we have to do, we have to change change the font, and it is 12. If I mark it 12, so this is how it is reflecting. If I put 9, so 9 is okay, right? 9 is okay. Text color is white. Okay, Then we have background color, so I want to have the background color as okay, this is looking good. Okay, and then text color is black. The alternate text color is also, it should be black, and alternate text color should be this. Okay, this is okay. Now column headers, if I make it 12, okay, 11, 10 is okay. Okay, text color is this, text color is white, this is done, and background color is this is also okay, this is also okay. If I make it 11, this much is okay. Bold, background is okay. It's dotted, we can select likewise. We can select, color is okay, right? So this is how we can change chart type, line or column. So we can select, I have selected column. So we are done with formatting. Now asset table visual. Okay, asset table. So I'll select this 9 only. Okay, so here we have this button, use the slicer. So this is not text font, so we are going to minimize it. Okay, we will put on the left side here likewise, right? And we will use the slicer buttons here. Okay, so I'll use slicer, and I'll put this here. Format, this would be the format. Okay, okay, investor name, I'll do the formatting now for this. It is vertical, so tile drop down, let's make it drop down, and selection would be select all. Okay, and then slicer header is investor name. Okay, investor name. Font would be this, 12 is okay. Bold, color should be white, and rest of the things are okay. Values, so this would be this, 12 is okay. Bold, font should be white, so that it would reflect, right? Now similarly we will do the copy paste, Control C, Control V, and we have the month. Okay, so let's remove this month wise. Then we should show the asset type, because we have used asset type. So I'll remove this. Then we have the asset table, asset type, right? Asset type. Then we have okay, similarly for others, control format painter, put this here, then format painter, put this here, format painter, put this here. Now we are done. So now if we change the values, like visualization should be changed. If I select this data is getting changed, right? This, right? Okay, see this. See, all values are getting changed as per when we select slicers. Okay, see this. Now aggressive, this. So if I select all, here all is selected, here also we can select all, equity we can select all, aggressive we can select all. Now if I select only aggressive, sorry, remove select all, aggressive, sorry, aggressive. So see this, data is getting changed, data is getting changed. Everywhere you would find changes as per selections, data is being changed, right? That's all about it, guys. And this is how you can design the dashboard in Power BI for investment portfolio tracker. And we can use the link of dataset in description box. And I would much thanks for watching.